Welcome to R2, where we discuss ways to sell your designs online with print on demand. In today's video, we're going to discuss how to use trends as well as instructions on how to find them on your own. It's been a while since I made a video about trends, so I thought I'd update the channel with a new video and share some of the things that I've been doing with you guys. One thing that's happened a lot since the last video that I talked about trends was tag spamming. There's a lot of people using tags to spam Redbubble, and they seem to be showing up at the top of the search results. So when you go onto Redbubble and you're looking for a certain item, you'll see that these tag spammers have taken over the top of the page. Redbubble is aware of this and trying to limit tag spamming, and it's also a cause for having your account disabled. So tag spamming is not a good thing, and some people are having their accounts deactivated, and they will lose their access to Redbubble if they do that. So the simplest method to see what is trending is just click on the search bar. Don't enter anything, and you'll see a section at the bottom with a few trending items. So if there was a blank search bar and you clicked onto it, you'll see that there's a couple items that show up as trending. So that'll give you an idea of some of the things that are coming up as a trend that you can use to inspire your designs and create something along those lines. Now, another way that you can find trends is by clicking from A to Z. Now, this is a time-consuming process because you'd have to go through the whole alphabet to find what's trending, and you'll see a couple of things pop up every time you put a new letter in. And it is a good way every day to do this and find some trending designs that you can use for your shop, and that you can come up with designs based on some of the things other people are searching for or buying. So it is a simple way of finding trends right on Redbubble, and I use this a lot, but unfortunately it is a time-consuming method. Now, another way to get trends is to pay for a service. So there are quite a few services out there that you can pay to get trends and find out exactly what's selling on Redbubble or other marketplaces through print on demand. But there is a paid subscription, so you might want to avoid that for now if you're just getting started. If you haven't already checked out the Redbubble playlist on this channel, this is a good starting point for those getting started on Redbubble with lots of tips and tricks to get more sales. This channel's been around now for a little over a year, so there's a lot of content in that playlist that you guys should check out if you're new to Redbubble or even selling print on demand. There are other playlists there that you can check out, so definitely check it out if you want more tips. So once I find out what is trending, I will take a look at those trends on Redbubble and see what people are putting up and see if there's something that I can work with, something that I can come up with on my own that would fit that trend and be able to upload to the site. It's funny, but most of the time I have no idea how these trends start, but it's fun to stumble on something you never heard of before. So I do enjoy kind of doing this research and seeing what's trending. It gives me some idea of what people out in the internet are excited about and what they are willing to purchase. So it's interesting to see what people are looking for and what might actually turn into a sale, and people might buy something with these trending topics on. Now you have some stuff to work with. The next step is eliminating anything that might be copyrighted or could get an intellectual property strike. So you never ever want to use something that's copyrighted in your work, because that could get you banned from Redbubble or any other platform that you're uploading your art to. So make sure that you're following trends that are not copyrighted or have an intellectual property association with them, and that you're creating original work around a trend. So there are a lot of trends that are not copyrighted, maybe a saying, something that somebody came up with and all of a sudden it's booming on the internet and people want to have a shirt with that saying on it. If it's not copyrighted, you can use it for your own designs. So there are some phrases and words that people have been able to copyright or have a claim to, so you got to make sure you check that out before you use it on your original designs. I never put my account at risk by using anything that is copyrighted or has an intellectual property associated with, and neither should you. It's just not worth it. Now, you can take elements of something and turn it into something unique. So if there's a certain design element that you see that's being constantly used for these trends, you might be able to copy some of the style into your work, and it might be created as an original piece of work instead of just a straight copy of what somebody else has put up. So as long as it's not similar to the original, you can use inspiration to create a design. So I stay away from celebrity names, companies, titles, movies, or TV shows. That's something I just don't do because it's not worth the hassle, and nothing worse than getting those annoying takedown notices from Redbubble or other platforms and freaking out that you might have done something that could have caused your account to be disabled or banned from the platform. You don't want to do that. Stay away from that kind of thing and your account should be safe. So we discussed how to find trends on Redbubble, and doing this every day is going to give you a few ideas that you can turn into a design. I also check out pop culture type sites that might be featuring something up and coming. If I see something that catches my attention, I might try to create a design around it. I also look at what's trending on Google. Even scrolling through TikTok can get you some ideas that you can work with. If you do a few of the things that I mentioned in this video, you'll get some ideas of what's trending and what you can design and how to optimize your time so you're not just guessing which trends to design for. If you can identify trends and validate that people are buying along with other criteria, you should be able to find a couple of trends each week to create designs around and start increasing your sales, offering what people are searching for in your store. If you like print-on-demand content and have not already subscribed to the channel, hope you can hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell so you know when the next video goes up. Hitting the like button really helps the channel. So keep uploading and we'll see you guys in the next one.